another epi today, and we are, shush birds. We are working on the Skyline, and we are going to, work on stripping this, so hopefully get it close to a bare shell, see how much I can be bothered doing today. So to start with, we're just going to take off all the panels that we can and put them aside, see what we're working with. So let's get into it.
That's enough dancing.
Alright, off comes the fender. Bloody
well,
easy.
That was easy.
Nah, there'll be more still. Probably one down here maybe. Yeah, at the bottom. Yeah. Watch out, move your bottom. Thanks, mate.
Don't let it drop on you. Do you want me to hold it?
Ah, she'll be right. Beautiful. Beauty. Off comes the fender. I hope. Now, I've also got Jesse helping me today, somewhere over there.
Oh.
Give us a wave.
From where?
Perfect.
Ta-da!
Oh, that one actually looks good, eh? Show us the inside. Yeah, not bad, not too much rust.
That's quite nice.
How about the actual insides?
This gum is
It's
seriously the best thing.
Just a bit of surface rust, but yes, this makes life a lot easier.
We just picked this up, it's brilliant.
Really makes you feel like chumps when you're using like hand tools for everything, like all your life.
I feel like royalty now.
So now the doors can come off because we've got access to the hinges. So we'll probably start on the other side again. Oh, I found more rust. Yep, that's going to need fixing. That's a hole right through.
This jack there.
We are getting there. Doors removed, front fender, hood, front Rio. So now we've got interior still. Can't get to the boot yet because again I don't have my key for it. But we'll later tonight. So we'll get that sorted soon.
Angry.
Get on with the show.
I think between you and me,
Hey.
we can pick the car up.
Want a screw? Ah! Oh, jeez. Hey! Make my job easier.
2 for the price of 1.
Exactly. We always put the screws back and then you don't lose them. Yeah. Oh, careful now. Oh, stuff everywhere. I must say, it's pretty comfy back here.
A lot of leg room?
Yeah, people always complain about legroom in the back seats, but this is perfect.
Good thing nothing is like bolted in. I knew I'd be pulling it apart again, so I thought, what's the point? Oh, that's a bit tough. Got it!
Feel this head?
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
Snap. Whoa!
Get out!
Nice.
Surprising that this gets rusty. Think inside the car will be alright. But no!
Nothing's alright.
Oh, muscles!
So you're getting dots.
Jesse reckons he's been bit by something. So I'm videoing this just in case he turns into Spider-Man and no one believes me.
Seen it here first.
Yeah, seen it here first.
Anyway.
Don't die. Enjoy your bickies. Alright, Jesse wanted me to record this because he reckons I'm going to break this top trim. I'm scared. Oh, gee. Oh! It didn't break.
Yes.
Oh!
Okay.
This is scary.
That's going well.
I haven't taken this one off before.
Something just dropped on you.
Bit of tape.
Tape. Nice.
Well, the ones I did pull off were fine. The other ones were just missing. Oh, there's one missing. And it's in here.
Nice.
Oh, actually, it might just go on. Yeah! Oh no, it is snapped a bit. It's gonna get tough when I gotta fix stuff like that. I'm gonna get real fussy. Like, you're never gonna see it, but I know it's there now. So, either gotta find a better one, or just fix it. And I'm gonna lose that clip, so I'm gonna put it back in. Round 2. Good, wish me luck. Oh, one clip's already missing, that's good. Oh, this hurts my soul. Oh. Hey! We need more room in the shed because I want to bring the 929 in, so you didn't see this. It's starting to get dark at the moment. Sun's going down, so we are doing the front suspension. We're going to take all that out and hopefully cross member, and we'll just lay it on some wheels underneath or tyres until I get a rotisserie set up for it. Because I can't do the rear at the moment because I don't have the key on me for the boot, but I will tonight. What do you think of that, Jess? Perfect. Big tug. Oh, nice.
He's on tight.
At the moment, we're just trying to drop the cross member, and we're going to try and drop everything with it. So, top of the suspension and all the arms and stuff will just disconnect, and then hopefully cross member, steering rack, just all of it will drop together, and we'll disassemble the rest off the car. I reckon it'll be easier that way. So, yeah, see how we go. Hey.
Decent.
Maybe if I lift these out a bit. Yeah, that's looking promising. Yeah. We're doing it! Ah, fuck. Ah.
Alright.
Get off this sway bar there. Come on. Come on!
Done.
And that is the front cross member and stuff. Whew. I'm knackered. But look how much easier it is going to be to work on everything now. So I still have to take the sway bar out, these arms, and just strip everything really. But that's a big part of it out now, which is good. Everything will get painted and look nice a bit. Whew. This is a reenactment. Oh, yes! Brilliant.
I'll drink to that. I meant what I was saying didn't have to be in the video, because I was about to